Hello again, everyone. This is Joe Hentges with Beyond the Chart, and in this stock review video we're going to take a look at Alibaba and see what kind of corrective action is going on with this stock. It is still below its IPO week in terms of the price, and why there is no magic yet for Alibaba. So stay tuned. All right, so here's the picture on Alibaba. This is all the trading on a weekly chart. This is all the trading I've got on Alibaba, and it came public back here in September 2014. The close that week was 93.89. The low was 89.95. When you look at this, what I could do is just put a bar across, and so here is the low right in here for the IPO week. And let me just highlight that a little bit and put that in red. And so any trading below that is below that IPO week, and you can see we have been substantially below that for quite a while. So what do I think is going on with this? You know, we rallied here, and as soon as we came down and took out this low, you just knew we had some big corrective move going on, because we thought initially, well, maybe this was the start of an impulse and we're getting a corrective wave and then we go up. But when it came down and went lower, then you're like, you know that the whole game has changed. The whole dynamic has changed on this. So that was confirmed on this week, on the week ending March 6, 2015. So we ended up having a 5-wave A B pullback, and a 5-wave C for a first zigzag. That's why I call it a zigzag, a first zigzag corrective move, and labeled it W. Now you don't know it's a W until you get this corrective wave X in here and you see that it's starting to fail and pull back down. You're like, okay, you know, something's going on, and it's turned out to be a connecting wave X. And so what you end up having is a couple of corrective patterns that combine, okay? And that's the thing about corrective moves. Once you're into corrective moves, they can become very messy. They can be simple, or they can be complex and push sideways, like what's going on with Alibaba. So we have a W, X, and working a Y. Now, what is Y turning out to be? Y is turning out to be what looks like a flat to me, because of the fact that we had a 3-wave A. And that's always your clue that it's a flat, because A is either 5 or 3 waves. If it's 3 waves, it's a flat. Well, then if it's a flat, B should pull back at least to the beginning of A, and that's exactly what it did. So now, what am I expecting for C? I'm expecting 5 waves down for C. Now, 58.75 is where C will equal A. It'll 100% will equal A. Now, does it have to stop there? No. And so that's why we'll watch the wave structure as this continues to go down. Let's take a look at the daily chart. This has become a little bit clearer. So now you can see, let's zoom in here. You can see what's going on. This was this big 3-wave. We had this B wave pullback, and now we're getting this wave structure that's starting to work its way down. This is a little bit of a messy wave 2 pullback in here. And now we're starting to break down. Monday we broke this low, getting continuation down here. We're having an inside today, by the way, is Tuesday, June 28th, and we're having a little bit of an inside day today so far. It's still early. It's only been trading for 2.5 hours. So anyway, that's the pattern. That's what we're looking for, and that's why Alibaba just can't seem to get the magic yet. Maybe it'll come in a few weeks, months, or whatever. So that's the current picture on Alibaba. Looking for 5 waves down, looking for it to come down to 58 and below, and we'll keep a close eye on it. All right, everyone, hope you found the video helpful. If you did, please share it on your favorite social media, or send it to your friends. Send the link, hit the like button, and if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. I'll talk to you on the next video.